This cupboard is the key to success. Just picked up some keys. So just been to the estate agents and just picked up some keys, or actually a key, because there's only one. So today was completion day to this BRRR project, and I'm just going to show you around, and I'm going to show you what our plans are for this and how we're going to turn it from a 2-bedroom into a 3-bedroom, which is going to help us get all or most of our money back out again. So first things first, this property was on sale because of a divorce. It used to be a rental and it's been vacant for over a year. Needs quite a bit of work doing to it. But this type of property is built in a certain way, allows you to turn it into a 3-bedroom. So if you want to see how I'm going to do that, just click the like button right now, because if you do, it's going to help other people see this video and help them benefit from this knowledge too. Plus, stick around because there's a nice little surprise in the back garden waiting for us when we get round there. So here we go. So just come into the back door. This is the only key. So there is only a back door key. You'll see why there's no front door key in a minute. They've attempted to fit a kitchen. So this is the kitchen. We come in. It's a 2-bedroom, semi-detached house. Whoever tried to fit this kitchen has not done it to the best of standards. So we're probably going to rip it out and just put a new sort of Howden's kitchen or something in there. But yeah, good size, especially for a property of this size. And then we go straight into one of the reception rooms, which they've laid new carpets. They've sort of whitewashed everywhere. And then we get to the point of why there's only a back door key. The front door for this property is on the side of the property. It's not at the front. Are you ready? Shall I show you? This is the front door. It's actually just like we like it. Means there's money to be made. And we go into the front room, living room, good size. There's a chimney breast over there. We're going to leave that in just because of costs. Windows, they're fairly new. They're all double glazed. And then we've got these lovely stairs. We love these stairs. We don't love these stairs. They're very steep. Okay, so when I get to the top of the stairs, you can see the landing goes 2 ways. Goes to the left and to the right. And we go this way and we see the master bedroom. So really good sized bedroom, this one. Inbuilt cupboard in the corner. Yeah, just a really good solid room. Now, there is a clue in this room as to how we're going to get a 3rd bedroom. Do you know what it is? If you do, just comment and let us know. And we just go down the hallway into bedroom 2. So bedroom 2, really good size. It's actually almost the same size as the master. And then we've got a bathroom. Needs modernising, bit of work done to it, bit of finishing off. It looks like somebody's tried to do it up, but they've just either run out of money or stopped or cut corners or whatever it is that they've been doing this. You know, we've got things like this. Back in the 2nd bedroom. Now there's another clue in here as to how we're going to get a 3rd bedroom. Do you know what it is? So before I show you that, I'm going to show you the surprises in the garden because I've got a really good view of it at the moment. Are you ready? So that is pure brambles. So again, we love stuff like this because it's just money to be made. And I'll tell you in a minute how much I secured the property for. That was a quick tour and we're back in the master bedroom. Now, how am I going to turn it from a 2-bed into a 3-bed? Have you guessed? Do you know? If you do, comment. Actually, let's have a bit of competition. Comment now and let me know. Whoever's first with the correct answer, I'll go on your latest social media post and I'll give you loads of likes and comments and stuff like that to help try and boost your post. I said there was a clue in here as to how I'm going to do it. That's the clue. How are we going to do it? So what we're going to do, if I open this door, you see there's a cupboard. This cupboard is the key to success. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock this wall through, and through there is the 2nd bedroom. You'll also notice it's probably about 1 metre, maybe just a bit more than 1 metre wide. Wonder what fits in that sort of space. Shall I tell you? So what we do here is we're going to knock through the wall into the 2nd bedroom and create a bathroom. And we're going to put the bath and shower through here. And then the bathroom is going to be like an L shape. So we're then going to have, there's the door to the 2nd bedroom. About here, it's just plasterboard. We're going to have another door into a bathroom. We're going to take about 1.5 metres or so from bedroom 2, which is here. We're going to take the bedroom back. It's still going to be a really good sized 2nd bedroom when we've taken the space away. So we can have a really nice sized bathroom. And then the bath and shower going through to what is now the cupboard, and the cupboard area becomes like a shower cubicle. Then all we do is we simply turn this into the 3rd bedroom. Really, really simple. So here's the opportunity for everyone else. If you're viewing properties right now and they are properties that have the cupboard that goes over the stairs, so this is the stairs, and then we walk into the master bedroom and then open the door. Yeah, if you have those cupboards and you have a decent sized 2nd bedroom, you can do this too. So we've had quotes for the work already. A few different quotes. One of them came in at 15k, one of them's about 20k. We're waiting for a 3rd quote, and then we're going to get cracking. And in terms of the garden, how much do you think that's going to cost me to sort that out? All that mess, all those brambles. It's an absolute disgrace. How much do you think? Shall I tell you? Come on, comment below and let me know how much you think it's going to be. Did you guess 5 grand? Did you guess 2 grand? 10? Now I've got somebody coming tomorrow who's going to sort all of that out for 550 quid. Yeah, this was a bargaining tool during negotiation. The vendor just did not want to deal with it. It was too much money. So let's have a look what it looks like from the ground floor level. Yeah, it's just a mountain. 500 quid. Not too bad, hey? Not too bad at all. So he's coming tomorrow. Now, how much did I pay for this? How much did I secure this property for? So I secured the property for 135,000. Stamp duty, legals, all that sort of stuff. And we're in for about 142k. The valuation of this property as it is, as a 2-bed, is 180 to 190 in good condition. As a 3-bed, it's actually between 230 and 245. So I'm working to 210 as a worst case sort of scenario. The way the market is at the moment, you just don't know if you're going to get a down valuation or anything like that. So I'm working on 210,000, but there is more to be had if we do a really good job. I suppose I should say I secured this property. This is a JV project. I'm sure my JV partner is watching right now. If you are, tag yourself below. I'm not going to do it for you. Tag yourself below. Let everyone know who you are and where you are, and share your thoughts on this property too. It's expected to rent, we're just going to keep it as a single let, expecting to get £1,100 gross rent. Did you know that's how I was going to turn it into a 3-bed? Have you done it yourself before? Is this something completely new for you? Let the refurb commence.